my name is Aga Tompkins and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. I really appreciate you being here. And if this is your first time here, check out some of my other videos. But for now, we're doing one on this So Jaded palette from ColourPop Cosmetics, and it's a collaboration with Kathleen lights. These colors are phenomenal. I am obsessed. I've been using this palette for about a month. I got it right when it came out, and I've just been too busy to film videos. After Halloween, I did so many at once. I needed a little break. I also recently started doing videos for America's Beauty Show, doing training classes for CE hours. So I can't wait to tell you guys more about that. And that took up a lot of my time this month. So that's why I was not here making videos, but I promise I'm back on track and you will be seeing more videos more consistently. I'm sorry to let you guys down. Forgive me, but with that being said, I am going to show you a look I love with this palette and hope you love it too. Check it out. I'm gonna start with this Ametrin and I'm just gonna get it all over my lid here. Not all over it, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna start it in my crease and I'm using my diffused crease Sigma brush on this just to keep it fluffy. Now I'm gonna use my Precious. And just put it under your brow bone. I always feel like it's super important to highlight under your brows. It opens up your eyes so much, and just use a color lighter than your skin tone, just by a little bit at least. You can do a little shimmer there as well, but I always like to do like a matte color that is lighter than my skin tone to make that brow will pop. And now I'm just gonna take a blending brush and blend that out. Blend that out a bit. Keep in mind I'm gonna be layering a lot, so I'm not going nuts right now because there will be so much more. Now I'm gonna use this garnet color right here. And that's going in the corner over here. And kind of gently work it up. Now blend that baby out, like so. Now I'm gonna use more of that garnet color in the center here and here. I'm just kind of packing it in there. Cool, so as you can see, that's done. And now I'm gonna go in with this ruby color right here. That's a shimmery shadow, so I'm gonna use a setting spray to make it wet. I'm gonna spray setting spray on my brush and kind of get that color off of there. It'll make it go on real smoothly. And I'm applying it right in the center of my lid, like this. And I'm gonna go up a little bit into like almost like a little point up here. So I'm using the brush the long way like this. So I'm purposely making like a little point. Now I'm gonna clean off what fell under my eyes because I had a lot of fallout. Fix your concealer like so. I usually end up doing this no matter what. If I'm doing a lot of shadows, they always have fallout of some kind. And so I'll always kind of wipe away and then redo this part of my face because I don't like caking on concealer, and obviously you can't leave the shadow there because that's weird. Now set under there. And now I'm gonna go back in with that Ametrine, or however you say it. Don't ask me. And go under my eyeballs. See how much it opens up your eye when you put shadows on the bottom? I am like a super fan of putting shadows on the bottom. I know a lot of people feel weird that never did it really through their life, but like, I promise it makes a huge difference in the end. I guess if you don't wear a ton of makeup, you may feel weird, but I don't know. feel like that was the game changer for me in makeup, where I felt like my eyes were just bigger and more open and youthful, so I recommend it. I'm gonna take that garnet color, the darker red, and just do in here. And I'm gonna use a little bit of a blender and blend that out. Like that. Now I'm gonna go in with this pearl color, and that's gonna go on my inner corner. I really love this palette because it has like everything I need in one palette. This could definitely be a go-to for everyday looks when you're trying not to have browns, because usually browns and oranges are in my everyday go-to situations, but I feel like this is a good palette to like steer you away from using browns and neutrals as much, because it has so many different like possibilities, but it also has some of the just like shimmers and matte nude colors that you can use to like kind of have a base for something. So if I was going on vacation, which obviously I'm not because, you know, COVID, then I might bring this palette because it'd be fun, but also very useful. I'm definitely gonna do a Christmas look out of this one. So now I'm gonna take the ruby again and just kind of dab under the center here gently. And there. I'm also gonna do a little bit of that pearl color right on the lid up here. I used a little bit of my setting spray to make it stick. And then I'll dry off my brush and do the rest just dry. I usually only do shimmers like in the center or in the front. I never do like a full shimmer eye look, ever. Too old for that, man. Now I'm gonna do my liner, mascara, lashes, and I'll be right back. See you soon. And here's the final look. This palette is awesome. I definitely recommend it. I love these 4 colors together. I think they're great. I can't wait to do looks with a bunch more of these. I've tried some of these, as you can tell. As you can tell, this palette's already been used a bit, but I just been busy. I promise I'll try not to be MIA for so long again. I know that was a long time between videos, but with Halloween and everything, I definitely needed a little break. And doing that video for America's Beauty Show and the cosmetology stuff, which I'll give you guys more information on that once that's officially out. If you're a cosmetologist looking to get some CE hours, I'll be posting about that. Thanks so much for joining me. I really appreciate you guys coming back to hang out with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Tell your friends, share with the world. I appreciate every single one of you that supported me through this YouTube journey. Check out my Instagram, it's Aga Tompkins Beauty, and I'm on Facebook under Aga Tompkins Beauty if you want to find me there. And hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'll be doing more soon. Definitely doing more with this palette as soon as possible. Have a great day. Bye.